and welcome to Seasoned and Clueless. I'm Leigh.
I'm Alec. Now today we're going to do a Green Chef recipe. There's no recipe card because it wasn't supplied. You can get it online, but forget that. The only thing we're going to stick to is the time it suggests it can be made in, which is 20 minutes. Leigh here is going to be cooking it, but she doesn't have a clue really of what it is. But it's up to her to see if she can replicate the meal or not. So are you ready?
As ready as I can be.
Oh, fuck, I'll switch that off. What an idiot. Off we pop.
Right, so what I'm going to do is make a sort of base or marinade or whatever you want to call it with the ketchup mayonnaise, the oyster and soy sauces.
Right, what are we making?
It's a stir fry
Okay.
sort of thing with pasta.
Okay. That you're putting in there?
It's the ketchup mayonnaise.
All right. What's that when it's at home?
I have no clue.
Oh, right. Okay, so you didn't look it up. Good girl.
I am the clueless one here. Now I'm just putting in the oyster sauce.
You're making a marinade, you see, for the chicken?
A sort of marinade.
Okay. There's one thing I do want to show you from this recipe. I have never seen such a tiny lime in my life. I've never seen one the size of this. It's about the size of a golf ball.
Put the diced chicken in and just mix it all together.
Put the chicken in the bowl. There is a smell from that chicken. It is okay. It's because of the packaging that they use, that Green Chef use. Yes, it does state here, notice a stronger smell from your chicken. Don't worry, this is normal due to the packaging we use to keep it fresh.
Get down, Ollie. We don't want you there.
Hello, Ollie. Ollie's just having a look to see what we're cooking. How long are we leaving it for?
About 5 minutes.
About 5 minutes.
I'm going to use the carrot and cabbage, mushrooms, and the young pea pods, all in the stir fry together. And then I'm going to cook these or boil them for about 3 minutes. The lime will be part of the topping, so I'll just slice it on half and we can decide whether we want to put it on.
And what about those two things there?
The chili flakes will be optional.
Will they now? Okay.
And the crispy onions is also going to be a topping, so sprinkled on. Chuck the stir fry in.
Okay.
Mushrooms and the peas.
This is a stir fry, is it? That you're doing?
Yeah. Noodles are done. I'm going to drain them, cool them off a little bit, then I'm going to add them to the stir fry and mix it together.
Okay.
Well, I'm sure that the chicken's been in for about 5 minutes.
And you're going to cook the chicken separately, are you?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm just going to add a bit more oil to that stir fry.
Feeling confident?
No. Just going to put the chicken in.
What are you doing with that marinade?
The rest of the marinade, if there's any left,
Yeah.
I'm going to put into the stir fry when the noodles go in.
Okay. Is there much left? Let's have a look.
There's probably about that much left.
Okay, there's probably about that much left. Okay. Okay.
Just going to put the lid on that to help it boil a bit quicker. I need to get these noodles in.
Oh, God.
I'm just turning the chicken over to make sure the other side of it cooks.
Okay.
Right now, I'm just making sure that all the outside is done. Then I'm going to leave it to cook through more.
Oh my God! Frying quite nicely, eh? Mm-hmm.
I'm actually going to put this in now.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Would anybody like to join us for this meal? Please join us. You can have mine.
Pop these in.
Okay.
And pray to God that I can actually get them out at the right time. And
So do I. Hey, chef, we have 6 minutes left. That's a nice smell of burning stuff that's in there. Chicken's cooking away. Are you looking forward to this meal?
no. Are you?
No. 5 minutes. And just to explain to you all, I received a Green Chef 2 meals today. They cost me £20.49. One of the meals had the recipe card with it. I wish this one did.
Would you still trust me with it, even with the recipe card?
No. As I was saying, it was £20.49. It had the recipe card with it. And all the ingredients were in a bag, which was fine. But this recipe, we don't know if all the ingredients are there. And there was no recipe card. Now, you can get it online. You can't get it off the website on the internet because they stopped doing the downloadable PDFs. So you have to get it from the app. But if you didn't know that, you would look at the website and think, can't get the recipe. So then what do? You're doing what Leigh's doing right now.
Making it up as you go along.
Yes, she's making it up as she goes along. So that's what we're doing. But I did have a look at the recipe and it did say that it can get cooked in 20 minutes. But is that for somebody who is a complete novice like Leigh? We shall see. So that was a bit of a disaster on Green Chef's part. What did happen, I'll just show you. They did send 3 other recipe cards. One for a steak, one for king prawn.
We had all the recipes.
Wait a minute, Leigh. And one for pork. Now that's fine, but we don't have the ingredients for any of them because this is a chicken meal that she is doing. So it's a bit of a disaster from Green Chef's point of view. Because it was like a taster box, but I won't be subscribing to them. I certainly won't. Right, now back to the action.
Right, I just drained and mixed the noodles into the stir fry that I've done the best that I can.
Okay, did you use any of the water?
Nope.
Ah, right, so there's no sauce in there.
Plate up.
You're going to plate up. Is there any help for Leigh out there? Please tell me in the comments. She's plating up a stir fry, a one pot meal.
Well,
That is time up. Has Leigh managed to do a stir fry, ladies and gentlemen? That is the question. Please let me know in the comments. All right, so this is the meal. She's now going to put I believe it's crispy onions on top.
crispy onions.
Okay.
I'm just going to quickly cut the lime. The chili flakes, it's optional, so do you want them on yours?
Yes. She's having some, ladies and gentlemen. She's trying some.
Why not?
Oh, God, she's pushing the boat out. This is the final meal of a
Stir fry style. Stir fry.
Would you call it a stir fry? Please put the comments in the box what you actually think of this. And would you eat it? Really? So are you happy with what you've made?
I'm happy I hopefully didn't burn anything. It is taste test time.
Are you looking forward to this?
Are you?
What do you think?
No.
Right, you've had a good look at this. What's your thoughts on this? Please write a comment. We're going to try it now. We are going to try it. I'll try the noodles, and I'll try the overcooked vegetables. No. It's cooking a little bit longer. Not as long as the vegetables. I'll try some of the vegetables. There's still a bit of a crunch to the peas. Not much of the sauce left, which was used for the marinade. Well, I'll try a piece of the chicken. It's very bland. It's bland. It would have been nicer if the so-called marinade had been put through the stir fry. Give them your thoughts.
No, the chicken is nice and warm with the marinade, even though it's in the wrong place. Like, had I actually had the recipe, could I have done better? Maybe.
Green Chef, this is your fault. Look at this. Boing. What marks would you give this? Would you have eaten it? Any advice you could give young Leigh here? Come on, give me your mark.
I've got to say 4.
A 4. Okay, I'll agree with her. A 4. I'm going to go off and make tea now. Or should I carry on eating this? Any advice?
So if you want to see more, hit the like and subscribe button to join us on more of our food adventures. For now, it's bye from me.
It's bye from me. Please, this should carry a government warning. I'm going to go and have some beans on toast.